Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today I have got something exciting to talk about. The latest May 2024 software update for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is the second software update for S23 series after One UI 6.1 push of the March 24. There have been reports of battery drain issues with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra after the One UI 6.1 update. Users on the Samsung community forums and Reddit have noticed a significant decrease in battery life after installing the update. So, I guess this is the update we all are looking for. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the latest software update on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra without any risk. Before I dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can never miss out on the latest tech updates. Now, let's get started. To check the new update on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to Settings, then scroll down, tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. Yes, the size of the month's update is only 439.50 megabyte and it contains May security patch from Google. This patch brings numerous security fixes from Google for the Android operating system and fixes various vulnerabilities that affect Samsung Galaxy smartphone and tablets. So you can expect improved system stability after this update, but don't expect any new feature inside this update. So let's go ahead and download the update. Make sure your Galaxy S23 Ultra is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to ensure a smooth download process. Okay, the update is downloading. In the meantime, let me tell you few quick tips to ensure a smooth update process. This is why I am making this kind of videos because you need to be cautious. Firstly, backup all of your important data to avoid any data loss during the update. Secondly, clear some spaces on your device to make room for the new update. Also, make sure your phone has over 50% charge before the start of software installation process. And lastly, to ensure a smooth and trouble-free software update, it's advisable to perform updates in a cool environment. Software updates often require your phone's processor to work intensively, which can generate heat. If the phone is already running hot or is exposed to high temperature, the update process can create many problems. Okay, the new software file is downloading. I think if you are a regular viewer of my channel, then you know what will happen next. So I am ending this video now. So there you have it, folks. How to download the latest software update on your S23 Ultra. Thank you so much for sticking around until this very end. If you enjoyed this video, let me know with a like and comments below. Sharing this video with your friends would be amazing too. You can also help my channel to grow and allows me to create even more content you will love just by tapping that subscribe button. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.